Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to select eyedropper in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photopea, then open image. Okay. Then see, open Photopea and load your image from the toolbar. On the left, select the eyedropper tool or shortcut key I. Click on any color in the image. It will be set as your foreground color. You can now use this color on their object or brushes. Example, press I or right click, select eyedropper and click any color and follow this change color and use brush, right click, use brush, opacity, change again color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.